Good morning, Cardano Army. We got a special video for you today, guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me. I got my hot tea and honey loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. Thank you to our wonderful Patreon subscribers, Catherine B, Offla LLC, Craig and Feruz Den, Maryland for Crypto, and VET Docky. Join the Patreon Army, guys. We're coming in hot. Today, we are talking about DEXs. We are talking about DeFi. We're getting back to our DeFi roots. We haven't done DeFi videos in a long while, but now we're back. The reason why we're doing this is because of the attack from the SEC, and we need to fight back. And the only way we can fight back is going through DeFi. Now, there's some there's some talk about the SEC targeting DeFi. I don't care if they target DeFi. The SEC, in my humble opinion, is irrelevant. They've been irrelevant for a long while. The SEC doesn't stop collapses. The financial crisis wasn't stopped by the SEC. The previous financial crisis wasn't stopped by the SEC. FTX wasn't stopped by the SEC. The SEC does not care about protecting investors. They really don't. They only care about their lawyers making millions upon millions upon millions of dollars. Think about it. The Ripple case. Lawyers cost Ripple approximately $100 million, which they're never going to get back. The SEC only cares about making money and wasting time. So, in order to fight back, we're going to be talking about DeFi today. I had a wonderful Patreon subscriber ask me how to buy native tokens on Cardano, and this is the show for it. So before we get into that, thank you to our wonderful sponsor, OneComm, ticker symbol 1COMM. 0% fees until at least the end of December 2023 for all existing and new delegators, guys. Thank you to OneComm. Go ahead and delegate your crypto to OneComm. There's about 53 million ADA out there delegated to retired stake pools. What are you doing? Check your stake pool. Make sure you're delegated to OneComm. And let's get into the show. So, guys, we're going to be talking about how to buy native tokens on Cardano. We're going to be talking to two ways how to do it. Okay, the first way is through Minswap. The second way is through Eternal Wallet. Now, I do love this wallet. This wallet is amazing. I love how easy it is to navigate. It's very, very clean, very, very simple. You know, I'm a simple kind of guy. Another cool thing about Eternal Wallet is that you could track your staking rewards. Yes, you could track your staking rewards. It shows you how many staking rewards you get per epoch, all the way back to Genesis. Not only that, you can download your entire transaction list. You can swap directly from Eternal Wallet. You can stake from Eternal Wallet. You can vote from Eternal Wallet. You can even buy ADA directly from Eternal Wallet. Now, I have not used this yet, so I really don't know, how this goes. Since your country is currently not supported, so you can't really buy it here yet, which is kind of messed up. But if you were, you could probably use a VPN maybe to use this. I don't know what kind of KYC you need to use this for, so I have not participated in this yet, but you could, in theory, buy ADA directly from Eternal Wallet. So that's pretty awesome, guys. So I have a test wallet created here. It's just like creating any other wallet. You know, you download the app, Eternal, from eternal.io. You save your seed phrase, and there you got the wallet. Now, let's go in on how to buy a Cardano native asset on Cardano. So, we're at Minswap DEX. Let's go ahead and disconnect, and then we'll reconnect. So, Minswap DEX, let's go all the way back. All the way back. So, when you get to Minswap, app.minswap.org, we're going to connect our wallet, okay? I've got my Eternal Wallet set up, but if you don't have Eternal Wallet, you can use a Min Wallet, Ledger. I wouldn't really recommend Ledger for this because I don't like connecting my Ledger wallet to really anything unless I really have to. So I'd use a hot wallet for these things and then transfer your native tokens to your Ledger. I like to keep my Ledger off the internet as much as possible. But we have Nami. I don't really like Nami that much. There's been some rumblings that there's been some issues going on with Nami. Flint wallet I've never used before. Typhon wallet I've never used before. Jiro wallet I've never used before. Yoroi is good. It's pretty simple, pretty basic, but Yoroi is good. And then they have Treasure coming soon. Okay, so for this purposes, we're going to use Eternal Wallet here. We're just going to go ahead and connect. I've already installed it as a browser extension. Okay, now I would recommend that if you are going to use this, that if you do use it as a browser extension, I'd recommend that you transfer this to your Ledger as soon as you're done swapping. Don't keep it in your browser extension wallet, okay? Browser extensions are not as secure as a Ledger. So anyway, we're gonna install and then we're gonna click here. This is gonna connect the wallet. My wallet is already connected. I got a little bit of ADA in there for some tests. Let's go to trade, okay? So we're gonna click trade up here. We've got ADA. And what token should we buy? Let's buy some SNEC token. Okay, so we're gonna come down to SNEC. All right, pretty easy. We're gonna swap 5 ADA for some SNEC token. Okay, so 5 ADA will give us 3,115 SNEC. I'm gonna click swap. Before you do that, here are all the fees breakdowns. Okay, so 2 ADA goes to the batcher fee. The deposit ADA is the collateral that you need to have. So you need to have at least 2 ADA in your wallet to make swaps. You get that back at the end of the transaction. We got a liquidity provider fee for liquidity providers, obviously. Price impact, that pretty much means that the difference between the market price and the price due at your trade. So there's a 0.02% price difference here. Okay, and the minimum you'll receive is 3,099 SNEC. Okay, so with all the fees and whatnot, you're going to receive a minimum of 3,099 SNEC. And here's the route that it takes. Okay, so it's really simple. You could do a market order or a limit order. A market order is you're buying the market right now. You're executing the trade as it is. Limit order is a little bit different. You could buy it at a specific price, but it's not instant. The price has to hit there, and once the price hits there on like the regular price, I know I'm not explaining this right, but it's simple once you understand it. The limit price, once this limit has been hit, then your order gets filled. So it'll take a little bit longer, but you'll be buying it at this price. Market price is the fastest way, but you're going to be paying a little bit more. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So we're going to hit swap here. Okay. Again, you're going to see this here. Okay. You confirm swap. Then it's going to ask you to type in your spending password, which we're going to do now. Put my mic down. All right, I'm gonna hit sign. Uh-oh, let's try that again. Had caps lock on. And hit sign, and then we're gonna wait for confirmation. Okay. So this will take a few minutes here. I'm gonna go back to our wallet. transaction successful. It's going to sync up here, and then we're just going to wait. Got a pending transaction here from Minswap. We can see the metadata. And we're just going to wait patiently for the swap to occur. It'll take a few minutes. And I'll be back once that transaction clears. All right, guys, these are some YouTube magic. We've waited about 5 minutes and the transaction has occurred. Now, we should be getting 2 ADA back eventually. It takes a while to get that 2 ADA back. But we spent 5 ADA and we now have SNEC token in our wallet. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how you really buy native assets on Cardano. It's really, really easy. Now, that was the first way to do so. This is the next way to do so, directly from Minswap and directly from Eternal Wallet. And it's pretty much the same thing. We go to swap here, okay? And again, we're going to do 5 ADA. Now, which token should we buy next? They have a lot of tokens here that we can look under. Let's see here. Let's buy some Banker coin. All right, we're going to buy some Banker coin here. And again, it gives us this, this breakdown of the of the transaction. Okay. Processor fee, 2 ADA. So we're going to spend 4 ADA here for fees. We're going to swap from 5 ADA. Provider processing fees, 2 ADA. Deposit return, 2 ADA. Okay, so simple thing here. Now, with Eternal, it's pretty cool. It goes through a lot of different how do I say this? It aggregates info from a lot of different dexes. So whichever the cheapest price is, it will allow you to buy it from that dex. Okay, so this is Eternal Wallet Swap powered by Minswap. But if you had a cheaper price on like Wing Riders or Minswap or another dex, it will go through that dex aggregator. So for now, it's going through Minswap's dex aggregator to give you the best price. So we're swapping 5 ADA here for 1,439 Banker coin. Let's take a look at this. It's so easy. So we're gonna hit swap. I don't have enough ADA. Okay, let's try 4 ADA. Don't have enough ADA. Okay. Let's see here. Might need to add a couple more ADA here. Let's try 3. Still don't have enough ADA. Probably gonna have to wait. Yeah, because I had the fee here and the deposit. Okay. Which, this is good because you have to have enough ADA in your wallet in order to make the swap. So, let's actually do this. Hopefully this works. Let's go Singularity Net to ADA. Let's try this. Hopefully I have enough for this. Yes. Okay, so we're doing a reverse swap here. So we're swapping our Singularity Net token back to ADA. We're going to click swap. I'm going to enter in our spinning password. And there we go. We're just gonna wait. And then once that's done, we should have a few more ADA to work with here. Okay. So that's pretty much a basic tutorial of how to use a DEX, how to swap, how to buy native assets on Cardano. It's really easy, really simple. If you guys need a more detailed breakdown of how to do it, let me know. I mean, it's pretty detailed here, but I know some people, you know, need more. Oh yes, we got our 2 ADA back from SNEC. So it just takes a while to get your ADA back. But we got our ADA back from SNEC. And now we're just waiting for the AGIX transaction to occur. And then we'll be all done, guys. We'll be all done. You can see here, this was from Wing Riders here. This is pretty cool. So whichever DEX gives you the best price, they will aggregate and complete the transaction on there for you. And remember, guys, we got instant market price, which gives you an instant transaction, but it costs a little bit more. And then we got limit, which gives you the exact price, but it takes a little bit longer. And your order might not get filled. It just depends on how many people are buying and how many people are selling. I'm not going to get into limit orders and market orders and all that because I'll be here for another 3 hours trying to formulate it. But we got our test ADA back here, and now we're just waiting for this order to clear, and we should have another 4 ADA in our wallet once this is done here. So let's see. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. We got our ADA back here. The swap has been completed. We can see here transactions be registered on chain, so we are good to go. Take a look at our transactions. We received funds from Wing Riders, 7 ADA. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys need any more tutorials on this specifically. I think next time we do a tutorial, we're going to be doing liquidity provision. So we're going to be providing liquidity to a Minswap pool. And we're going to be showing you guys how to do all that. And yeah, getting back to DeFi. I love it. It's fun. Donate to the Patreon, guys, because, you know, I'm using my own ADA for this. So help your boy get some more ADA. Donate to the Patreon. Thank you so much to Catherine V, Offler, LLC, Kraken, Farouz Den, Manly for Crypto, and VET Docky. If you found this informative, please join the Patreon army. I love you guys, and we will fight this tyrannical government with crypto. And I'll be here every step of the way. I love you guys. Keep chopping. Talk to you soon. Bye.